Hello friends, I am Sagnik. Welcome to Curly Brushes. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a human character in Adobe Illustrator. You can draw this human character very easily. So let's start. At first, I will take a page of 960 by 560 points. I will take the ellipse tool and then draw a oval. You have to draw the oval just like this and then give it a more saturated blue color. I will select this anchor with the direct selection tool and then drag it up. Just like this. Now with the pen tool I will add one more anchor over here and then with the direct selection tool I will select it and then drag it inward. It will look like just like this. Now I will take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over here. I'll give this rectangle a light blue color, this one, and then right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. Now I will place it here and then decrease its size and make it just like this. Now I'll select this anchor with the direct selection tool and then rotate it a little. I will also select this anchor and then rotate it. Now you have to select these two anchors just like this and rotate it very little, just like this. Now I will create the hand of the human character. For that I will take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. I will give this rectangle this blue color and then with the direct selection tool I will select the top part, which are the two anchors, and then round it totally. Now I will drag it and then the selection tool I will rotate it and then decrease its size a little. Now I will place it here and then rotate it. You have to rotate the rectangle just like this and then place it over here. Now I'll increase the size of the body and then I will again take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just like this and then place it over here. I'll rotate it and then place it according to the first rectangle. Now with the direct selection tool I will select this part and then round it. Yes. Now again with the direct selection tool I will select this part and then drag it inward just like this and then select this part and drag it just like this. Yes. Now I will create the another hand because our first hand is created. So for the another hand I will again take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle, right click on it, go to arrange and then send it to back. Now I will place the rectangle over here so that a little part of it is seen. Yes. Now with the direct selection tool I will select this anchor, round it a little. Now I will again take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle and then place it over here. I'll place it in a rotated manner, just like this. Now I'll right click on it, arrange, send it to back. Yes. Now I'll create its hand. But before that I'll go to the layers panel and then lock the jacket layer and then with the direct selection tool I'll select this part and then drag it a little inward. Yes, just like this. Now I will create the hands, but before that I will do something on this hand. So what I will do here, I will drag it inward a little and just like this. So now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just like this. Give it a more light blue color which will be dark a little as this one, and then rotate it according to the hand shape, and then I will place it over here. Now I will right click on it, arrange, and then send backward. Yes. Now pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will drag a new copy of it and then I will place it here. I will right click on it, arrange, then send it to back. Here you have to do backward, but in this rectangle you have to do back because there is a layer in this hand. There is a layer there is the jacket layer before it, after it. So if I go to back, then this rectangle will go totally back. But in this case there is no rectangle, there is no layer, so you can do back over here. Now I will create the hand. For that, what I will do, I will take the pen tool and then draw here the hand just like this. I will give this hand a skin color. Now with the rectangle tool, I will create a small rectangle and give it this color, then round it and then place it over here. We are doing this to show that he has put his hand in his jacket. Now in this case, or in this hand, what we will do just like this. I'll also give it skin color, this one, and then draw another hand, means another step of hand just like this. Yes, now I'll create a smartphone. For that, I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle. Give it black color. Yes. Now with the selection tool, I will select it and go to Object, Path, and then Offset Path. Here I will decrease its points to minus. One point. Okay. Now the inner one, I will give it a white color. Now I'll select this and pressing Shift on the keyboard, I'll also select this. Now with the direct selection tool, I will rotate both of them. Now I will change the inner side colors because it will mix with the background. So I will give it a grey color. Yes. Now I will select the whole thing and then make them as a group. Now I will rotate it, place it over here, go to Arrange and then send it to back. Now I will decrease its size according to the hand. Just like this. A little smaller. Yes. Now I will go to the layers panel and first unlock the jacket layer, and then what we will do, I will get this phone layer over this layer, and then I'll get the finger layer over the smartphone layer just like this. Now I'll create the legs, but before that I will select the jacket part with the direct selection tool and then get the pen tool and then give here an anchor. Now with the direct selection tool I will drag it down and then round this anchor just like this. Now I will again take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle just like this and give it a grey color. Now I will right click on it, arrange, send it to back. Now here I'll add another anchor here and then with the direct selection tool I'll select it and drag it down and then round it. Now I will take the rectangle tool to create the legs. For the legs I will give it this color. Now I will select this anchor with the direct selection tool and then drag it inward or inside. Now I will place this over here, then right click on it, go to arrange, send it to back. Yes, here. Now I'll press Alt on the keyboard and then drag a new copy of it. Now with the selection tool, I'll rotate it a little and then place it just like this. Yes. Now I'll create his shoes. For the shoes, I'll take the rectangle tool and then I'll give it this light blue color. Now I will take the pen tool and add an anchor before dragging this anchor to this anchor. So now I will perform this task. So I will select this anchor and then drag totally it to this anchor. Now I'll select this for this anchor and then round it a little. I'll place it over here, then arrange, send it to back. Not this much, a little smaller. Yes, this much. Now pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will drag a new copy of it and then place it over here. Yes, now we are created with all the things. We are created with the body, means we have finished the body part. Now I will show you how to draw his face. For the face, I will select this oval part and then I will go to the object, path and then offset path. Now I will decrease its size and make its size just like this. We got a new copy inside it with a smaller size. Now I'll give it a skin color. This one. Yes. Now I'll take the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle over here. I will place it here. Now with the direct selection tool, I'll drag this anchor little this side and this anchor little this side. Yes. Now I'll take the ellipse tool and then draw a circle. Yes. Now on this I will create the hair. So I'll take the pen tool and start creating the hair. I'll give this hair brown color. Yes. Now I'll create the eyes and the mouth. For that I'll take the ellipse tool and draw a oval and then give it total black color. Now, pressing Alt on the keyboard, I will drag a new copy. Now, I will press Alt on the keyboard and then decrease its size. This will help us to decrease the size from all the sides. Now I'll place it here and then give it white color. Now I'll select this whole structure and make it as a group. Now I'll place this eye over here and then I'll minimize its size. Now I will first ungroup it and then I'll select this and then drag it over here. Now I will again select this and pressing Shift on the keyboard I will also select this. Now I'll make it as a group first and then drag the new copy over here. Yes. Now I'll draw his mouth. For the mouth, I'll take the ellipse tool and draw a little oval. I will give this oval a light red color, this one, just like this. I'll place this oval here. Now we are ready with our human figure. I'll add a little highlights to the pant. For that, pressing Alt on the keyboard, I'll drag the new copy over here. Now select the whole structure, get the Shape Builder tool and then cut out this part. Now I'll select this structure, the outline of it and then give it a lighter color. I'll do the same thing with this also. Pressing Alt on the keyboard, I'll drag a new copy and then select the whole structure, get the Shape Builder tool and then cut out this part. Now with the selection tool, I'll select the outer part and then give it this light blue color. Yes, just like this. So friends, you can see our human character is created. It's looking very cool and amazing. So, if you like our today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Goodbye.